Okay, here are 2 air conditioning units at a rest stop here in Minnesota. Here's this one. And by the looks of it, these appear to be, I think, carrier-made units. These might be Bryant's or Payne's. Not exactly sure. Both not running right now. This one's a 3-ton from 1998. Has a Bristol reciprocating compressor. So that's interesting. And then here's this one. This one's a 3-ton from 1998, same as that one. But yeah, we are on the way home back to Iowa from Minnesota. So, we stopped at this restaurant this rest stop to use the bathroom. So, thought I'd get a quick video of the units here. Yeah, I believe these are, Bryant units. Either that or Payne units. Not exactly sure. But yeah, just like a quick video of these 2 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.